Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. In this video we're going to take a very quick look at getting data or importing data from the web. It's going to be a useful tool if you've got a website that has a table on it and data in it that you might want to analyze. Won't work in every instance, but it can be a useful tool where it does work. So to do this we go to our data tab, which is here, and then we click on the From Web option. When this little box pops up, we copy in our website. Now I am using just an example from the Office website, which is a list of all functions, their type and a description of these. So if we click OK, it will load up this box where it will tell you what it's found that might be possible to import. So in this instance, this is our table that we want to import. You can also look at the web view of the table and see what it looks like on the website itself. Now, if you are happy with the way this has come up here, simply click load. In this instance though, I noticed that the type and description are together in one column and I'd like to split those out. Now I could do it after I loaded the data into Excel, but I want to do it before and tidy it up a little bit. So if we click on edit, it will pop up with this option. We then select our column that we want to split out. And after the type in each instance, there is a colon. So if we go to split column, by delimiter, we want it by colon. There's lots of different options like comma, so on and so forth. We want to do the leftmost one, which will ensure that if there are other options or other colons within the cell, then it won't split it into yet another column. And you can select a number of additional options, but we do want to split into columns. Click OK. And as you can see, it's split it out there. So once you're happy, we click close and load. And it will create a new sheet and load your data into it. It will automatically be formatted as a table. And in this instance, I want to update my headings. And that's just a quick introduction to importing data from the web. Hope you found this video interesting. Do leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.